Based on secret information, a Naka checking operation led by the OC Howley PS was conducted at NH-27 Kaljhar, Bordolong. During the Naka checking, a TATA truck bearing registration number AS01TC6890 was intercepted. Upon receipt of the information, the SSP Barpeta and additional SP arrived at the spot. During the search of the vehicle, a secret cavity was found in the trailer of the vehicle. The said cavity was opened with the help of a gas cutter, and the following items were recovered: 56 soap cases containing suspected heroin weighing 671.15 grams and 110 packets containing 22,000 numbers of YABA tablets, having a total market value of rupees 2,44,23,000 approximately. In this regard, one person, namely Akkesh Ali of Goalpara, has been apprehended and further legal action has been initiated.